Hey guys, welcome to Speak About Digital. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how you can easily use Monday.com. I'm going to cover a very quick basic tutorial to get you going and understand how Monday.com works. So if you have no idea about Monday.com and how to get started, then this video is for you. Monday.com is a powerful project management tool that can help you and your team to stay organized, collaborate effectively, and increase productivity. In this tutorial, we will walk you through the basics of setting up your account, creating and managing boards, exploring the dashboard, and integrating Monday.com with other apps. Just before we start, please consider giving me a thumbs up, otherwise I will go ahead and jump right into the Monday.com tutorial. The first thing that you want to do is, if you didn't create your account yet, you will have a link below in the description. It's very easy to create an account. First, click on the Get Started button. From there, you can choose to sign up with your Google account or enter your email to continue. During the sign-up process, Monday.com will ask for more information to personalize your account. It's important to choose the right options that fit your preferences, so take your time with this step. As part of the sign-up process, Monday.com will prompt you to create your first board. To get started, enter the name of your board. It's a good idea to name it after your upcoming task. Once you've named your board, click the Next button. Next, you'll need to choose what you want to manage on your board. You will be given several options, such as items, tasks, projects, etc. Click the radio button next to the best option, or enter a custom item to manage. Once you've made your selection, click Next. After that, you'll be asked to select a view layout from a table, timeline, calendar, Gantt, cards, and Kanban. Choose the one that best suits your needs and click on Next to proceed. Next, enter your task or project name. Simply click in the fields, enter your project name, and repeat the steps as needed. Once you're done, click Next to continue. Now that you have your tasks listed, you can create groups. During the initial setup, Monday.com allows you to start 2 groups to help track multiple teams and processes. You can also name the groups. After this, you will be taken to your dashboard. If you want to create a board outside of the setup process, you can do so by going to the Work Management view, clicking the plus button on the left side, then select New Board. With these simple steps, you'll have your first board set up and ready to use in no time. The dashboard is a user-friendly interface that makes it easy to navigate and manage your work. It consists of a left navigation panel located on the left-hand side of the screen, which is divided into different tabs. The home page is the first tab on the left navigation panel, which provides you with quick access to your recent boards, inbox, and workspaces. This tab makes it easy to keep track of your most important tasks and projects. The Work Management tab is where you can manage your boards. You can assign team members to your tasks by clicking the cell and typing the name of your teammate. When a task is assigned, the teammate it was assigned to will receive a bell notification so they always stay up to date with their responsibilities. You can also add a new column by clicking on the plus button on the far right side of the board, then select the column you want to add from the drop-down menu. To add a board view, click on the plus icon located right below your board's title. You can see that we have different views available. This is a table view, and I'm going to add more views, so let's go with a Kanban view. You can add another view. There are different views available, and you can select the one you want. Additionally, the plus button on the upper left corner can help you create new boards, documents, dashboards, forms, and folders. The Work Management tab also provides the ability to import data in the form of Excel, Google Sheets, Asana, Trello, and other platforms. The Notifications panel helps you get notified in real time. It notifies you every time someone mentions you or replies to one of your items. This feature ensures that you never miss out on any important updates or messages. The Notifications panel shows all of your notifications, including unread notifications, those that mentioned you, assigned to you, and more. Additionally, you can invite members to your boards by clicking on the Invite New Members button. The Inbox tab allows you to catch up on dates from all of your boards in one place. Instead of checking each board individually, the Inbox displays all the new updates from the boards that you are subscribed to. This feature saves time and ensures that you stay up to date with all of the important changes and communication within your account. The Inbox section is a great tool to help you stay organized and on top of your work. The My Work panel shows everything assigned to you in one place. This panel provides an overview of your tasks, making it easier to manage your workload. You can customize this panel to match your specific needs, ensuring that you have quick access to the most important tasks and projects. The Favorites panel enables you to star any board, making it easier to access later. This panel helps you stay organized and ensures that you can easily find the boards that you need. The Invite Members panel enables you to invite team members or viewers to your workspace. To invite someone, all you need to do is enter their email and click on the Invite button. The Search Everything panel allows you to search for anything in your account. You can search for crossboards, updates, files, people, and tags, among other things. Additionally, you can filter your search results by dates, making it easier to find the information you need. The Help panel is a valuable resource that helps you reach Monday.com support. By clicking on the Contact Us button, you can call or chat with the Monday.com support team, getting the help you need to resolve any issues. The Products panel shows you all of the products you're using on Monday.com. This panel also allows you to explore more products by Monday.com, helping you discover new tools and features that can improve your workflow. Finally, the Profile section is where you can manage your profile, integrations, administration, and teams. This panel also allows you to explore the app marketplace, mobile app, Monday.labs, and shortcuts. By utilizing the Profile section, you can customize your dashboard to meet your specific needs and improve your overall productivity. In addition to the left navigation panel, there is a Quick Search button located at the top right corner of your dashboard. This button serves as a useful tool for finding your boards, custom dashboards, docs, and workspaces quickly. By clicking on the Quick Search button and typing in the name of the board, document, or workspace you need, you can access it instantly. This feature saves you time and helps you stay organized, ensuring that you can easily find the information you need. Integrating Monday.com with other apps can enhance your productivity and streamline your workflow. To get started, click on the Profile section located at the bottom left corner of the screen and then select Integrations. This will take you to the Integration Center, where you can see a variety of apps that you can connect to your Monday.com account. To integrate an app with your Monday.com account, first choose the app you want to connect with. Then select the board that you want the app to integrate with. Once you have selected the board, click on the Add to Board button to initiate the integration process. Finally, you will need to provide authorization to connect the app with your Monday.com account. This typically involves logging into the app or authentication token. Once you have completed this process, the app will be fully integrated with your Monday.com account, allowing you to seamlessly manage your workflow across multiple platforms. And there you have it, a beginner's guide to using Monday.com. There's more to learn about Monday.com, so if you're interested in an advanced tutorial, let me know in the comments and I'll be happy to make it happen whenever I get a chance. You can check the links in the description. That helps a lot, thank you. So again, if you found this video helpful, please give me a thumbs up, and if you have any questions at all, please comment below. I try to answer all the comments the best I can. Thanks for watching and take care.